What the fuck these niggas thought? What the fuck you pussies must have thought that I was playing. Must have thought he couldn't get caught, they buried that boy in the sand. Damn, why that little bitch knows it only cost a couple of grand. Yep. By now he overstole him, chopping off his hand. Hot like a stove on pot of the pan, taking over the lane.
Let's go. All right. All right. Emotionless trader now. But I needed this. I fucking needed this. We are now out of drawdown completely, up 229 total profits on the account. We're up $532 on the day. Full take profit. Let's go. Man, that feels good. That feels good. I hope I don't get copyright for that song at the beginning because I needed that shit. Let's fucking go through this day. Holy shit. So originally I was bearish on the day because the 1 hour and the 4 hour were very bearish. Very, very bearish. We swept really strong 4 hour liquidity in pre-market. Okay? Let me calm down. So we swept those liquidities in the pre-market. Okay? I got on the market right at like 9:30. Kind of got on late, but I marked everything out and sat in the 5-minute for a while. We immediately inversed this hourly fair value gap at 10 o'clock. And yeah, I mean, I let the rest speak, right? So we inverse. So I understood that we were going to be bullish, or I was led to believe we were going to be bullish because inverse fair value gaps are some of the strongest confluences you can use. Okay, so once we inverse, I scale to the 1 minute and I peep. Okay, so we break structure here. And then on this way down, I take the trade right here at 10:07. I originally had my stops below the inverse, okay? But I took better than a 1.16 because my stops were, or my take profit was originally here. So I took like a 1 to 141. As we, were rising, I didn't really want to try and test my luck, so I pulled take profits down here. But I didn't do that until, hang on, let me do this because I want to make sure it's right. Let me see, I can keep going back. So I moved stops as we kept making new highs. I kept moving my stops up, and then I was eventually able to move it to break even once we closed above this high on the 1 minute. I would have hit like even a better trade, but I don't care. I got exactly what I wanted today. So let's break it down. So we inverse, and then we make a 5-minute fair value gap, which I thought we were going to test right here, but market was marketing in my favor today actually, and it didn't even test it. It just, it just edged us, and then went back up. Was really scared when we inversed this, not gonna lie, but the 1 hour inverse was stronger than the 1 minute inverse, so I held confident. Oh, I so needed this today. But we inverse, we re-inverse this 1 minute fair value gap. Oh, that was before. Okay, so we disrespect this, but we fill this 1 minute perfectly. And again, like I took this trade off of an inverse fair value gap. Once I was entered, like there's nothing much you can really do except let it ride, which is exactly what I did. I mean, I took a break-even trade today. I took an amazing trade today. Like, forget all those other videos. Watch this video. This is how you trade. You even though I trade against my bias, which is against my rules, this inverse on the hourly completely trumps that. Especially because we had swept high draws and liquidity in pre-market, and we were already super drawn down in pre-market. So, like again, I was expecting bearish, but once I saw that inverse, it was wraps. we had another 5-minute fair value gap right here. We had a little order block down here. Didn't want to go down there. We kind of moved sideways from 9:55, literally macro, like macro time. We just moved sideways. I was already in the trade by then, right before macro hit. So we make a 5-minute fair value gap, a couple of them on the way up. Really, I was sitting in the 1 minute for the majority. I don't really have much to say. You guys can see. I'm very proud of myself. This is my biggest trading day. Full profits and $532 means we're up on the week. $500 this week. My monthly P&L, $498. I knew I could do it. Market has just been so weird lately. But the one day I wake up and it gives us actually good price action, I bang it out. I banged it out. Man, if you guys have any questions, I'm going to keep it short for you. I'm going to go have a great weekend. I'm going to be in Athens, Georgia. Go Georgia Bulldogs. Fuck Texas. Unless you're from Texas. I love you. But fuck Texas. I hope you guys have a good one, man. Deuces.